Rach today, and she is moving out.
I know, I'm leaving.
She finally found a place in this building. I swear you've been talking about this building for like a goddamn year.
I know. This building just, it's so nice that there's never apartments available, or at least never the one-bedroom apartments available. So one finally became available, and it doesn't even have a car space. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my car. But I was like, that's it, I'm going for it, and I got it. And so I'm moving into my dream apartment.
And it's just gonna be Mitch and me and the dogs and the bunnies, our zoo.
Yeah, zoo.
Our zoo in our place. But Rach and I are going out today because there is a warehouse plant sale on, and I don't think we've been plant shopping since the last vlog.
I know.
Where I went plant shopping. I swear to God, it's not like a general weekend thing.
Nope.
It's been a couple of months. And so we're gonna go and check that out, but I actually forgot it was on today, and I went and trained, and Rach is like, are we still going to the plant thing? Yeah, we are, but now we're going real late, so hopefully there's still some plants left. So, don't mind the washing, our dryer is broken. But I've been enlisted the job of dyeing their hair.
I'm going like a really dark blue, and he's going like a steel grey, I think, yeah. We're playing a rock and roll band, so it's necessary.
We'll see how this turns out.
It's gonna be great.
Whoa! My girlfriend's gonna be confused when she picks it up.
Pink hair for Ducky.
Pink hair for Duck Duck. You want to go pink because you look very pretty.
Joker. Papa Smurf. Smurf.
And this is the result of the blue dye. Turn that way. There we can get the sunlight. Or not. Maybe back to this. Hello. I've been busy. It's been a minute since I had an opportunity to like talk to the camera properly. So today I had some coaching calls this morning. I'm gonna come back here and I've got some coaching calls this afternoon. But for now, I've got a little bit of break in the middle of my day and it's a rest day. So I'm gonna go see my friend Siobhan. I'd seen her old studio, but I'm gonna go check out her new one today. I'll show you what I'm wearing too. I'm a big fan of like this slouchy fit like from 90%, and the skirt is from them too. See how it's got like two zips, like a top and a bottom zip. And I've just got my Reeboks on my feet, and the sunnies are the Gucci aviator ones that I got a while ago. And I also just realized that my face is peeling a lot from a peel I had done the other day, so I look like a lizard. I'm going out.
Where?
Siobhan's warehouse studio thing. Hello!
Banksy.
Puppy! Do you want to come with me? You can't, because I'm getting in an Uber. Hi.
Rachel.
Hello! How are you?
Nice to see you.
This is such a cool space. It's so much bigger too, isn't it?
It's huge, huh? So I've got
The meeting room is really cute.
It's really cute.
I love this.
It's just nice and bright and yeah, easy. So, you know.
How
anything
pretty.
From a dinner party to while I'm not using the space.
Yeah.
It's like if anyone would use it for photography, then it's here. But yeah, so that's why I'm sort of keeping it free for the moment, but then things will grow. And then I've got all my stuff back here.
Okay, I've been home for a little bit. I had another 2 phone calls. So, Siobhan gave me something. We'll see what's in it. Cute. This is like the best, like honestly my favorite brand when it comes to like laundry care and stuff. It's not the cheapest, but it's worth it. Ooh, natural toothpaste. That's really cute. I haven't tried this stuff before. This is hand cream. But you know what? I probably need. I've been destroyed this winter. And so, chiffon is way too sweet. That was really nice. I am aware that I probably look like a drowning or drowned, recently drowned sewer rat right now, but I trained this morning. I did legs and then I came back, ate, had a quick shower, went and got some groceries, picked up some flowers, and now I've decided I want to rearrange the living room because, as I mentioned in the start of the video, Rachel's moving out. We're gonna set Mitch's music studio up down in like the bottom store, and this level here, this is the lounge room, and I filmed a lounge tour a little while ago. TV's Rachel's, so what I'm gonna do is take that and I'm gonna put it down in the garage so she can just take it from the garage whenever she needs it. I'm going to set my backdrop stands and my backdrop rolls up in the lounge room and just kind of have like the chairs around, and it'll feel a bit more like a studio space, but it just means that I can pull out a backdrop and like if I want to do like a test shoot or something, or even like put it as a background behind some food photography that I'm doing, whether it's for the blog or whatever that might be. So I do have a backdrop stand that holds 2 rolls. Like I had some white and black ones up in Brisbane, but Haley, who was working out of Eat, Run, Lift, that's another thing I'm going to tell you guys. I think there was 1 or 2 months where I didn't vlog, but I was literally had too much going on to vlog, and one of the things that I did was I actually closed down the Eat, Run, Lift studio. For me, it was more a financial decision. The place was a personal training studio, not a full gym, so we didn't make money off memberships or anything like that. The way a studio makes money is that the PTs come in and they are subcontractors and they pay to lease the space. I just felt like with where I'm at and the direction that I'm trying to move the business and move what I'm doing personally, it didn't make sense to keep paying out the butt for the commercial premises. Commercial rent is not cheap, and then you've got your insurance, and then you've got all the other stuff that has to go on top of that as well when it does come to having a gym/studio space. So I'm still working with Haley, thankfully. Like, she's an absolute gem. Love her to bits. She's amazing at what she does. And she's also doing online coaching with me, so I am offering that one-on-one online coaching. Haley is doing it too. But yes, that can be pretty busy because I was trying to like organize that with the owner of the space, and then Haley was like selling off equipment for me, and it was all just like, oh my god, like it all happened really, really quickly too. And so within a matter of like 3 weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks, it was just like we shut it up. But yeah, so like I was saying, I thought of having like the roll across that wall there because it does create very nice split lighting. So yeah, I'm gonna set the backdrop up there, I'm gonna move some things around, tidy some things up, and I'll show you guys what it ends up looking like. You know, knowing me, it'll probably change again within like a few weeks, but we'll see. Okay, the guys are upstairs rehearsing, so don't mind that. There's my very empty shelving unit. Just looks so much bigger now. These can go in the cupboard. What are you eating? Is that pasta? Doug, you can't eat that. Give me, come on. The chair's there for now. I don't really like those spots, but we'll see. Maybe like I'll put one on over on this side or something, but it's very, like very open. And I just moved our couch, which Ducky has ruined, against the railing thing. My little Swiss cheese plant, which I bought at the start of this vlog. So it's kind of like an overlay. I know there's not much stuff, but for me that space is much more usable. We don't really do anything in the lounge room other than just like sit on the couch and like sometimes eat our food there. So yes, much more space. So I'm shooting a recipe today. I wish I had time to shoot every vlog recipe like this. I've got a little bit of time this afternoon, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna dedicate that to like putting together the recipe, and then I'm gonna spend all night editing this video, actually. So what I've done is I've just gone through and set up the props and things first, just so I can check the composition and everything before I get started. Now, I don't normally do full, like it's gonna be cropped. It'll be like that. And I'm gonna put some like little bits of food and stuff around. I've got my big reflector dish here, which is on a boom arm. Just really easy, you know, if you're shooting on your own, to have it like that, if you don't have someone to help. I've got these cute little bowls. They're from like a local homeware shop, so I don't know the name of the brand. It's probably on the bottom actually. Oh good, it's just a logo. Then I've got, this is just vinyl. I found this on Etsy. And you know, it looks like a textured background, but it's not. I'm gonna be shooting completely overhead today. Like I would love to shoot all of them like this, but we have to divide our time the best we can, right? So what I'm making is like a quinoa porridge with pear, like spiced poached pear. I'm just shooting on the 60 Mark II. That's the battery grip, that's why it looks different if you didn't know. And this is a Sigma 50mm f1.4. So really shallow depth of field if you want on this one. I do have it set up on 1.4 today because I really want the focus to be on the food once that's in the bowls, and not as crisp on the background because, as we know, the background is fake. So because it's fake texture, I need it slightly out of focus just to look a little bit more real. Turn this down to simmer. Would you like any quinoa pudding with pear?
Quinoa pudding?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Awesome.
It's
Ooh.
poached pear with spices.
Where's the video?
The dishes.
What?
Fridge or no?
Fridge.
Thought I would just do a little glimpse into the editing process while I was at it. So first I'm taking the raw files into Lightroom and I'm just clicking through my caramel filters pack. That's the one I use for my Instagram theme, and you can find a link for them in the bio because I do sell them, as well as my old theme style. Then I'm taking it into Photoshop. I'm applying some selective black and white, and then I'm also adding a warming filter, and I'm just going through and adding some of the details back in. Now, being really indecisive with my crop, I kept playing around trying to find the balance that I liked best and working with the leading lines. So as you can see, I like geometric straight lines, so that's what I was looking for. Hello, so I just finished clipping this all together. It looks like I spent half of October in my house, but editing, videos, coaching, gym, that's kind of like my life right now. And to be honest, it just felt weird. Like I had to get back into the swing of vlogging. Like primarily the videos I make aren't vlogs. It takes a little bit for me to go, okay, yeah, I have to actually vlog today. Like I have to think about it and manually switch that on. Feel free to let me know what you want to see more of in the vlogs as well. Like, do you want me to share more of my fitness and health and workout stuff, or did you kind of like seeing the more creative side behind what I do in, you know, setting up the photos and all that kind of thing? Like, I'd love to actually hear from you as to what you want to see more. Anyway, I hope you're doing really well. I'm going to finish up for the night, pack this down, well, chuck this clip in, pack down, and then this is the end of October. Tomorrow we start November, and I will be vlogging in November. I don't know what I'm getting up to yet, so we'll see. Bye guys!